All right, future doctors, buckle up. Today, I'm taking you inside the operating room for a heart surgery experience. Ever wondered what really happens during these life-saving procedures? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the prep. The patient is brought into the OR and prepped for surgery. Sterilization is crucial to prevent any infections. The team gears up in sterile gowns, gloves, and masks. Teamwork and communication are key from the get-go. Now the surgeon makes the first incision. It's a precise cut, made to access the chest cavity safely. The heart is then exposed, and the real work begins. Depending on the surgery, the heart might be stopped and connected to a heart-lung machine, which takes over its function during the procedure. One of the most common heart surgeries is coronary artery bypass grafting, CABG. In this procedure, the surgeon takes a healthy blood vessel from another part of the body and uses it to bypass the blocked coronary artery. This allows blood to flow freely to the heart muscle again. As the surgeon works, a scrub nurse ensures all the instruments are sterile and ready. An anesthesiologist monitors the patient's vital signs, ensuring they remain stable throughout the procedure. Every member of the team has a critical role to play. Once the surgery is complete, the heart is restarted and the chest is closed up. The patient is then moved to the ICU for recovery and close monitoring. Post-op care is just as vital, ensuring the patient recovers smoothly and any complications are swiftly addressed. And there you have it. A glimpse into the fascinating world of heart surgery. Remember, behind every successful surgery is a dedicated team working in harmony. So next time you're studying late into the night, keep this in mind. You're preparing to save lives. Stay curious, stay passionate. Until next time.